In the world of cricket, there's one rivalry that stands above all the rest, a rivalry that's filled with passion, politics, and a shared history. Do not miss this epic and historic rivalry because
It's India versus Pakistan.
India versus Pakistan rivalry is a big social cultural phenomenon. It has very deep historical and political narratives, and all the world watches this rivalry with great interest. The match plays on the cricket ground is not only the match, also the war of national identity and patriotism. Video I brings interesting cricket facts for you that feels the interesting rivalry of India and Pakistan. The stories where two teams looks fighting aggressively for victory and also shows the sportsmanship in front of all. And also I would show you the India-Pakistan cricket records. Pakistan versus India began in 1952 when the two countries first met on cricket ground. India and Pakistan played their first test on 16 October 1952. First time Pakistan won to India for test tour. This match plays Arun Jaitley Stadium in India. India won the match by great margin. From this win, Indian fans were very happy, but this joy changed into anger when Pakistan won the second test match that played in Lucknow. Indian home crowd was very angry from the performance of Indian team. The early eights marked by a series of intense and closely condensed matches with both teams eager to prove their superiority. Series placed in Pakistan in 1955 because of lot of pressure. Both teams did not win any match and the first time when both teams feel a lot of pressure on it. Both teams play single ODI series but they face each other in ICC tournaments. Until now both teams plays 15 test series against each other and both wins 4-4 series against each other. If talk about matches, teams play 59 test matches against each other, of which 38 test matches are tie and 12 test matches Pakistan and 9 test matches India won. In ODI matches Pakistan beats India by a lot of margin. Now in T20 eyes, here India beats Pakistan by margin, but the Pakistan win by 10 wickets over India in 2021 T20 World Cup in UAE hide all the records. Of course, overall on paper Pakistan dominates India. Now one ICC Champions Trophy going on. The Champions Trophy between the Pakistan dominates India by 2-3. Pakistan won 3 matches and India won only 2 matches against Pakistan. Pakistan India is a war of cricket. It is interesting for all fans but also for organizers. According to the calculation, the estimated revenue of generated by India-Pakistan match in the past of 20 years is approximately 10,000 crores and equals to $1.3 billion. The figure includes revenue from both sponsorships and sports marketing. In 1980s and the 1990s plays as the golden era of India-Pakistan cricket. This was a time when some of the greatest players of all time like Wasim Akram, Sachin Tendulkar and Javed Miandad took to the field and produced some of the most memorable matches in cricket history. The rivalry was at peak during this period when both teams producing some of the most thrilling and closing condensed matches in cricket history. The 1986 Australasia Cup, the 1992 World Cup and the 1996 World Cup are just a few examples of many iconic battles between India versus Pakistan. In recent years, India-Pakistan rivalry has continued to evolve and grow. Two teams have met in some of the most high-pressure matches in cricket history, including the 2007 World Cup, 2000 World Cup and 2020 final and the 2011 semi-final. The war also had significant impact on the players themselves, with many of them speaking about the pressure and intensity of playing in an India-Pakistan match. But the Pakistan war is a phenomenon that unlike in any other sport. It is a rivalry filled with passion and pride, and who also knows that Champions Trophy going on, and today is India versus Pakistan match. It is the battle of two nations and two religions. Do not forget to tell your favorite team in Champions Trophy in the comment section.